At the end of a winding road that cuts through dense forest, a house sits quietly on a steep, rocky slope, facing north into the Gaspereau River Valley. The land is steeped in the history of the Mi'kmaq people and Acadian heritage. Surrounding it are apple orchards and farms, while Nova Scotia's finest vineyards now grace the landscape. The house is not just a place to live, but a part of a community that has lived and told its stories. The steep, winding driveway leads visitors slowly down a small gravel path, only accessible by foot. The journey invites you to slow down and listen to nature. The main volume of the house sits on slender legs, while a hidden door sits beneath the shade of a larger form. Once inside, the interior feels compact and calm, full of character but never overwhelming. On the first floor are the bedrooms and bathrooms, with materials such as smoked oak, raw steel, and terracotta tiles. Each element is honest and functional, supporting the calm atmosphere created by the overall design. The large windows in the bedrooms frame the outside landscape, connecting the occupants to the forest without having to leave the house. The bathroom, meanwhile, with its full glass walls, provides an intimate bathing experience with nature. The dining area is located between the kitchen and living room, with a white oak table in collaboration with oak chairs and benches made by local craftsmen. Add a warm and human touch to the clean space. A custom pendant light hangs from the waffle ceiling, providing a focal point for interaction and conversation. Lighting is not just a function, but also an element that enhances atmosphere and togetherness. White Rock is not a house that tries to be flashy, but comes with precision and honesty. It understands the context in which it stands, and chooses to be silent without losing meaning. With a wise and humble architectural language, the house becomes part of nature, not its rival. A calm and thoughtful residence, the embodiment of harmony between man and his dwelling.